Really appreciate the speed differences between these top-tier machines. Here's your high-speed warning. This is what nearly 200 miles per hour looks like. Listen closely to the engine notes as the Aprilia, Yamaha, and BMW roar past. Friendly race, this time between two Kawasaki's, pushing well past 300 kilometers per hour. The rider in red signals the group, preparing for one final synchronized run. Together, they roll on the throttle in a stunning display of horsepower and precision. As they enter the tunnel, the rider on the BMW S1000RR decides to show off his incredible control. He lifts the front wheel into a perfectly balanced high-speed wheelie. Maintaining a wheelie at this velocity takes a master's touch on the throttle and flawless balance, a breathtaking showcase of rider skill. A beautiful end to an unforgettable ride. Thanks for watching.